Viewers and subscribers, what's going on, my people? Welcome back to Jamaican Insider. Just showing you this quick video of this crab that I saw outside. He's just still not moving at all. Remind me of when we used to play statue. I know I'm not the only Jamaican who would play that game in high school or primary school. Talk to me, Jamaicans who are watching. Am I the only one who played statue in school? Yeah man, this crab right here is not moving. He's very still. Watch him and you will see what I mean. Alright, let me give you a close-up of him. That's him right here. Well, I call him. I don't know if it's a him or a her. Very brave crab. What would you have done if you saw a crab just standing right there? No matter what you do, no matter how close you get to him, he doesn't move or anything. What would you have done? Let me know in the comment section below.